Millie Mill, also known as Mildred. Excuse me, Mildred, also known as Millie Mill. It's the Sweet Sugar Plum Home Decor idea. Okay, y'all, look at this wall. Something just gotta go up here. This wall is bare all the way down to there. Okay, everybody? So what I'm going to do is I went out and bought something to sort of lively up this wall over here. I already put like a hook there because whatever I have to hook it up there, y'all. So what I'm going to do is try to hook this up. And I'm going to show y'all exactly what I bought to put here. This part I don't like because I'm going to have the people come back in, my security people come back in and move this off of this wall and, you know, patch up the hole and put a, what do you call it, an outlet over here by the door. So there you have it. So now what I want y'all to see is how I'm going to make this wall somewhat lively. It's just a plain wall. Y'all get what I'm saying? This wall is so plain. And it's been painted, as you can see, a beautiful color, a beautiful lively color. So what we're going to do is I went out and we're going to do is put up this clock. Isn't this beautiful? It almost reminds me of a grandfather clock, but I couldn't find one. And Nene's on a budget, but this is really nice to put up. Let me see now. Y'all bear with me because I don't know. I'm not good in putting up things, but let's see if we can find where it hooks in at, y'all. Uh-oh. Something fell down already. Y'all, I'm going to have to find a hook. I know maybe I put it in the wrong position, but let me see. Oh, boy. And it's such a big, beautiful clock. So I'm going to get this up here on this wall, y'all. Some kind of way. Let's see if I can find that hole. It's the point is finding that hole. But y'all get the point, right? Uh-oh. Just finding that doggone hole to hook it on this hook is where I'm running into problems at, y'all. Okay. I think I have it. No, I don't have it yet. Oh, yeah, I got it, y'all. So here we go. And you push it in to make sure the hook is going all the way down in that hole. So here we got it. We got the clock up now, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? This is so beautiful. And then I thought of something else. I said, well, let's decorate it. So I went and I bought, you can see how the difference is the wall. It made a difference. Now you don't have to come home, Nene, to look at a plain, bare wall. So I found this here, the running vine of roses. And I said, oh, wow, this would be very beautiful going around this clock. Very beautiful. So, as y'all can see, it's not coming down because he's really deep down in that hole. Yeah. So, let's see. Oh, you know what we need? We're going to need something to hook this onto. Anybody see anything? I think it dropped to the floor. Oh, okay. All right. Let's use this here for the time being. Until I get something else, you know. You can use these things too. But with a big clock like that, these commander things, but it's good for pictures only. I don't know about a clock. So a clock needs like a hook to hook into that hole. And I have a whole bunch of them, different sizes. So what I'm going to do is try to put this up here where that hole is at. So it can hold up the roses. Oh, it won't stay, y'all. But anyway, y'all get the point. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put it around the clock as much as we can. until I get something else to hook it on to. But this is what we have now. He just don't want to stay up there. So he's going to need a hook too, I think, to go around this clock or something. But here you got it. Oh, it's not even. I want it even. Yeah. So let's make it even. Going around this clock. All right, and that's pretty. So now she got an added stuff on here, which is quite beautiful. Yeah. Okay. So there you have it. Yeah, you can find those things that you stick right up in here. Your little sticker things. And look how beautiful that is now, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? So it adds like an extra beauty to it. And like I said, y'all know I'm not a designer, but just bring like some comfort to your home. Why would you want to come home and look at a big plain wall? And over there, I'll find something else to do. And when we come back to this living room, we're going to like maybe put paintings up there or pictures over there. I have another one. This one I have too. This is really pretty. Isn't this beautiful, y'all? This is another one. And I'm quite sure it probably can, and it lights up. Believe it or not, it lights. Look. See, it lights up at the nighttime. So this is really beautiful. And you can see the cabinet, and it's just sitting there all beautiful and tranquility. So we're going to put this up too. And this already have this on the back. But what I noticed is that it just don't stick. It just won't hold. So maybe it needs more glue. Let me see why it's not sticking. Maybe I didn't take the back off of it. No, the back is off, y'all. So, yeah, it's saying the back is off. So I don't know why. Okay, so this will come down. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know if Nene can turn the camera around for me. I'm going to show y'all. And maybe it's because of the paint too. And this is semi-gloss paint. And for some reason, it's not sticking onto, the 3Ms are not sticking on the semi-gloss paint, which I find very peculiar. I find it really weird. But, and if you put glue on it, I don't think you should put glue on this because it's going to take the paint off the wall. As y'all can see, this is another wall. So I already put a painting on there, that wall over there. And I think I showed y'all, it's in one of my videos. And this is the second part over here. We just see one little thing here. So I wanted to coordinate this painting with this painting because they both light up. As you can see, both of them will light up. See? Isn't that beautiful? Very beautiful. So I figure, yeah, you can get a ruler. It's about, yeah, it's about the same. See? If I put it right up here, it'll be about the same, y'all. Y'all can see it? Isn't that pretty? Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to nail this. Let me see where should we nail it at, though. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a marking somewhere. I don't have a pen, but I think he should go right in here. Right up in here somewhere. So let's try it. Uh-oh, I think I lost the spot. But anyway, let's see. I think it was right here, y'all. I know you need a ruler and everything like that, but I just wanted to give y'all this quick thing. And then you just, this is only going to make a little tiny hole. Don't worry about this. It's not going to be a big hole. It's just going to be a little tiny hole. Okay? Yeah. So once you know you got it in, there. And I have these old walls. These walls are so old, y'all. So let's see how it looks. We'll finish that later. I just want to get an idea of how it looks up here. Okay, so we got to find a hole. And we found a hole, y'all. So there you have it. And yeah, if you want to put these stickers back on to hold it in place, but I doubt it, y'all.
Wait.
I really. Okay, y'all, so that was a little bit crooked. So what I'm going to do is find out where the spot was at for that. And we're going to put this, let's see. This is a 3M sticker. Let's see how well he holds it in place. Don't look like he's gonna hold that in place too much, that's all I can tell y'all. But anyway, we're gonna try to straighten him out. I just want him to stay steady for y'all now. Okay, y'all see, y'all get the idea? And then I'll come back and fix it later. But that's that painting, and it's the same as this one. I don't know if I have batteries in this one over here. May not be any batteries in it, but it runs by battery. And this one also comes on too. Let me see if it comes on. Oh no, see? It needs battery. So I have to put batteries on it. And this house lights up too. So I hope y'all get it, and I hope y'all enjoy the simple decor idea to make your home simply comfortable and cozy. Now we added this painting here, and this is beautiful to look at in the nighttime when you're sitting here cozy, you know, enjoying yourself and relaxing and coming home from work. It's a very beautiful picture. And believe me, I'll straighten that out, but I just want y'all to get an idea of how that one decoration made a difference, you see? So what we're going to do now is we're going to sign out. Millie Mill will be back. Signing out, Mildred from Sweet Sugar Plum Home Decor Idea.
Sweet sugar plum pie. What a comfort